Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we will understand about the email, that is electronic mail. So what is electronic mail? It is one of the most widely used services of the internet, as we know that this service allows an internet user so that they can send message to the other user in any part of the world. And this message, which is in the formatted manner, is called as mail. Message in mail not only contain text, but we can also send them images, audios, video, and any type of data. And in this mail, the person who is sending the mail is called the sender, and the person who receives this mail is called the recipient. We can say that an electronic mail or email is just like the postal mail services, which was previously used to send the messages to any part of the world. Now we come to the components of email system. The basic components of the email system consist of user agent, message transfer agent, mailbox, and spool file. We will understand all these components one by one. The first one is the user agent, that is denoted as UA. This user agent is normally a program by the help of which we can send and receive the mail. This user agent is also called a mail reader. This user agent accepts the variety of commands, so they use these commands for composing, receiving, and replying to messages, as well as by the help of these commands, the manipulations of the mailboxes can also be done. The next agent is the message transfer agent, that is denoted as MTA. This MTA is actually responsible for the transfer of mail from one system to another. And if we want to send a mail, then a system must have a client MTA and a system MTA. Then only we can transfer a mail. It transfers mail to mailboxes of the recipients if they are connected on the same machine. And if they are not on the same machine, if they rely on the different machines, then it delivers to the peer MTA. The delivery from one MTA to another message transfer agent is simply done by the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, that is SMTP protocol. Now we come to the next component, that is mailbox. It is a file which is stored on the local hard drive that collects the mail, and all the delivered mails are present in this file. By the help of this mailbox, the user can read the files deleted according to his or her requirement. To use email system, each user must have a mailbox, and access to mailbox can only be done by the owner of the mailbox. The next component is the spool file. This file contains the mails that are to be sent. Suppose we want to send a mail A. So it is stored in this spool file, and the user agent appends the outgoing mails in this file by the help of SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and the MTA, that is Message Transfer Agent, extracts the pending mail from this spool file for their delivery. Now we come to the services provided by the email system. The first service is the composition. So what is this composition? It is a process that creates messages and answers. For the composition, any kind of a text editor we can use. The next service is the transfer service. It means the sending procedure of the mail, that the mail is sent from a sender to the recipient. Next we come to the reporting. The reporting refers to the confirmation or delivery of mail. Like we have sent the message A. So when the message A is delivered, its confirmation is received by the help of reporting, and it also helps the user to check whether their mail is delivered, lost, or rejected. Because if the mail has been transferred, like we have said that message A is received, so we will get a message delivered or received, and if it is not delivered, so we will get a message lost or rejected. The next service is the display. It refers to the present mail in the form that is understood by the user. By the help of this service, the mail is presented to the user in the user readable form. The last service is the disposition. This step concerned with recipient, that what will recipient do after receiving the mail. Suppose when we have sent the message A and when it is received by the receiver, so this by the help of this service it can decide that whether it will save the mail or delete the mail before reading or delete after reading.